Now today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is chapter number 12, exponents and powers. So let us start, children. In the last year you have already studied few laws of exponents, right? So this year quickly we will revise what is power, and then few laws we will revise, and then we will proceed with the next part of the chapter. So you can see here the body of a power. So here power has two parts, that is base and the exponent. So here we read it as 4 raised to 3, right? So 4 here is a base and 3 is exponent. This we have already studied, right? And what does this mean, 4 raised to 3? That is 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. That is base is multiplied to itself to the number of exponent whatever is there, right? So this we have already seen, children. So the next is, we have also seen some rules of exponents, or it is also known as laws of exponents. So few rules which we have seen is a raised to x multiplied by a raised to y is equal to a raised to x plus y. A raised to x divided by a raised to y is equal to a raised to x minus y. A raised to x whole to the power y is equal to a raised to x into y. A into b whole to the power x is equal to a into a raised to x into b raised to x. A upon b whole raised to x is equal to a raised to x divided by b raised to x. And the last which we have seen is a raised to 0 is equal to 1. So these all laws we have already studied, children, last year, and we have already solved few sums based on this laws, right? So same laws this year also we are going to continue. We will use this. So you have to note down all this and by heart these all laws, children, right? And whichever the new laws we will learn this year. So let us proceed. Now next is power with negative exponents. So here now, children, if I write 2 raised to 2, right? This we know it is equal to 2 into 2, which is equal to 4, right? But what if I write 2 raised to negative 2 or minus 2? What the power here, the exponent here is negative? How to solve that? So this is our next topic, that how to solve the powers with the negative exponents. So using the law, the next law of the exponent says that a raised to minus n, that is negative n, is equal to 1 upon a raised to n. So this is very important law, children. You have to by heart, you have to learn this, right? And you have to note down it. For a is non-equal to 0, right? So a raised to minus n or negative n is a reciprocal of a raised to n. Here few examples are given. You can see here 3 raised to negative 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 raised to 2. Again 2 upon 5 whole raised to minus 6 or negative 6 is equal to, now this 2 upon 5 will become 5 upon 2, reciprocal, right? And the exponent here is negative 6 becomes positive 6. Once the exponent becomes positive, then again we can apply the same rules which we apply for our exponents, right? So this is how you are going to solve the sums when the exponent in the power is negative. So law of exponent, this is the next law which we add in our list, is a to the power or raised to minus x negative x is equal to 1 upon a raised to x. So let us see one example. Find the value of 2 raised to negative 3. Now here 2 is our a, right? And to the raised to negative 3, right? So now here using the law, what our law says, children? A raised to negative x is equal to 1 upon a raised to x. So let us write, which is equal to, here you can see 1 upon a value is 2 here, 2 raised to, now negative x becomes positive x. So here negative 3 becomes here positive 3. So this is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to 3. And 2 raised to 3, now we know that it is 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2, which is equal to 1 upon 8. I hope this is clear, children. One more example we will see. Yeah. Find the value of 1 upon 3 raised to negative 2. Now if it is 1 upon 3 raised to negative 2, we will write it as 1 upon 3 raised to negative 2 is equal to 3 raised to 2. How? Let us see. Yeah. Our law is a raised to minus x is equal to 1 upon a raised to x, right? So here we have it in the form of 1 upon a raised to x. Now a value is 3 and x value is negative 2. Alright, so we are taking 1 upon a raised to x is equal to a raised to negative x. So a value will be again 3 here, and negative x means negative of negative 2 becomes positive 2. So that is equal to 3 square, which is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. I hope this is clear, children, how to solve. Right, so let us begin with our first exercise 12.1. So evaluate 3 raised to negative 2. Then 3 raised to negative 2 using our law of exponent. You should write here using law a. I'll show you here. Using law a raised to minus x is equal to 1 upon a raised to x. So using law of exponent a raised to minus x is equal to 1 upon a raised to x is equal to 1 upon 3 square. So which is equal to 1 upon 3 into 3 is equal to 1 upon 9. I hope this is clear, children. Easy. You have to just use the law and solve it. Okay. Let us proceed with another one. Yeah. Now you can see here minus 4, the negative 4 raised to negative 2. Now here negative 4 is the a value, children, right? So it will be 1 upon a raised to x. That is 1 upon negative 4 will be as it is, children. A value is negative 4. So 1 upon a raised to x. So negative 2 becomes positive 2. Right? Then 1 upon negative 4 into negative 4. When two negative integers are multiplied, the product is positive. So 4 4s are 1 upon 16. I hope this is clear. Let us proceed. Yeah. Now evaluate 1 upon 2 whole to the power negative 5. So now we are using here. Now see here, children. Using the rule a upon b whole raised to m is equal to a raised to m upon b raised to m. Now here using the same rule we are writing 1 upon 2 whole raised to negative 5 is equal to 1 upon negative 5 upon 2 raised to 1 raised to negative 5 upon 2 raised to negative 5. Now 1 raised to power any number, the number will be 1. So using that in the numerator it will be 1, right, is equal to 1 upon 2 raised to negative 5 in the denominator. Now which is equal to, now children pay your attention here. Now this is in the form of 1 upon a to the power x. So 1 upon a to the power x is equal to a to the power minus x. So if we write a to the power minus x is nothing but minus of negative 5 will be positive 5. So here it is 2 to the power 5. So 2 to the power 5 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 5 times multiplied to 2 itself. That is equal to how much? 32. So I think this is clear. So that's it, children. We will end up over here. We will continue this in our next session. Thank you.